Have you ever wondered how Netflix always seems to know exactly what you want to watch next? Or maybe how Amazon flashes that product you didn't know you needed, right when you needed it? It's not psychic powers, and it's definitely not a crystal ball. This is pure math data and a sprinkle of machine learning magic. Welcome to the world of recommendation systems, the genius hiding behind every click you make online. So what exactly is a recommendation system? At its core, it's like a super smart friend who remembers everything you've liked, what people like you enjoy, and what's hot right now. Whether we're talking movies, songs, shopping, or even friend suggestions, it's this invisible digital companion always shaping your feed, your playlists, your shopping cart. There are a few main types of recommender systems, and each works a little differently. First up, collaborative filtering. Imagine you're in a group chat, and you ask, "Hey, any good movies?" Your friends toss out ideas based on what they've liked. This is collaborative filtering in action. It finds people like you and suggests what they enjoy. Then, there's content-based filtering. This one is more personal. It looks at what you've already loved and serves up more of the same. Like, oh, you love sci-fi thrillers with plot twists? Here's another just for you. Now, the heavy hitters like Netflix or Amazon, they use hybrid systems. Think of it like if Sherlock Holmes and Iron Man teamed up, combining strengths for even smarter recommendations. But how does it all actually work? Let's break it down. Step 1. Collect data. Every click, watch, purchase, and rating is gold. Step 2. Build a model. This can be as simple as a spreadsheet or as advanced as deep learning neural networks. Step 3. Recommend in real time. The system is always learning, always adapting to your latest moods and habits, and all of this happens in the blink of an eye. Now let me show off a bit, because in our custom model, we went even deeper. We started with collaborative filtering, but then we made it context-aware, factoring in time of day, your recent emotions, even what images catch your eye. We tested, tuned, and measured using things like RMSE and precision at K, and trust me, the results were next level. Smarter suggestions, happier users, more how did they know moments. And it goes way beyond your Netflix queue. In education, these systems help recommend courses tailored to your interests and learning pace. In healthcare, they can suggest treatments or wellness plans. Even in finance, they nudge you toward smarter investments. If there's a choice to make, there's probably a recommendation system working behind the scenes. Looking ahead, the future is wild. As AI keeps evolving, these systems will feel even more human, maybe even predicting what you want before you realize it yourself. But, and this is important, with all this power we have to keep things fair, explainable, and ethical. So next time YouTube nails that perfect video suggestion, remember, it's not random luck. It's a carefully crafted system using data, learning from millions, all to make your experience better. Thanks for watching.